Hello beautiful people, good morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are. You are welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Winifred and in today's video we are going to be learning how to cut a free kaftan dress. So I folded my fabric into 4. Let me demonstrate with a paper. A quick reminder, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button, like and share this video with your friends. If you are already subscribed, I appreciate you. Thank you for joining the family of beautiful people. So now let me demonstrate how to fold your fabric. Let's say that this is the yardage. This is where you measure where you measure the yard. So you are going to fold it like this into 2, and you fold it again like this into 4. So this place has a double fold and this place has an opening. So that is how I folded this fabric. So after doing that, the measurement you are going to be needing is from the tip of the neck to where, let's say this is the back of the don't mind my drawing, let's say this is the back of the person. So if you want to take the measurement, the middle point, the middle point at the back, at the tip of the neck, you are going to measure it down to where you want the hands to stop, and that will be your measurement on this horizontal line. I hope you understand. From the tip of the neck at the back up to the sleeve, where you want the sleeve to stop, that will be the measurement. For me, I want it to be very long. So I want it to get to like 21 inches. This is already 29 inches. Let me see where 29 inches is stopping on me. Stopping at the hem. At the end. I don't want it to be up to 29 inches. I want it to be around 21, around 20 inches. Or even 19. So I want it to be around 19 inches. So I'll measure out, I hope you can see. I'll measure out 19 inches here. This will be my neck to sleeve, which is my sleeve. But I want to add 2 inches for seam, 1 inch for seam allowance. I've added 1 inch for seam allowance. Then the length that I need, so now for the shoulder slope at the edge here, you are going to go down by 3 inches, and at the neck point you go in by 3 inches too. So from that 3 inches, connect the line to the shoulder point. And cut out. Don't need the whole width of the fabric, so I'm cutting out the excesses. So the excess parts that I don't need, I want to cut it off. I want to cut it off. So for this free kaftan, or we also call it rich auntie, you don't need too many measurements. Just get your measurements right. We've measured out the length, which is 62 inches plus seam allowance, and we've measured out the width of the fabric of the, which is 23 inches. So it's going to be stopping around my arm here. Going to be stopping around here, so which is 23 inches. Now for the neckline, I measured out 3 inches by, I want to measure out 1 inch for the back measurement. I'm cutting the back measurement first. 3 inches by 1 inch for the back, and I'm going to cut it out. Now I want to finish up with the back, so I can cut the front separately. For the sleeve, the round sleeve with the round arm of the round circumference, the round circumference of this place where it's stopping is 10 inches divided by 2, that's 5 inches. I'm going to be adding extra 3 inches for ease, because it's very big. As you can see it on the thumbnail, it's not fitted. So 5 plus 3 will give me 8 inches. So I'm marking out 8 inches plus 1.5 inches seam allowance. So I'm marking out 9.5 inches enough. Then from there, I've marked out 9.5 inches. From that 9.5 inches, I'll come in by 3 inches. That is, when I fold my arm, I want to fold it by 2 inches. Then I'll come in by extra 2 inches again before I now shape my arm. So I'm coming in by 4 inches. So after coming in by 4 inches, you just shape your arm to meet the fabric. After that, you cut it out. Make sure that this place is not sharp. Curve your hand a little when cutting it. So see, it's already forming a dress, something like an A-line dress, but it's not an A-line dress. It's not going to be fancy kaftan. So now I'm taking out the back panel. Let me take out the back panel, so that I can work with the front. You know, we've already measured 3 inches width here, so the front is meant to be 3 inches deep too. 3 inches deep. So cutting that out. Normally on the thumbnail there is no cut here, it's just the normal neck, but I want to cut this out for the sake of breastfeeding. So I'm cutting 5 inches depth. I think 5 is too much. I'm cutting 4 inches. I'm putting a 4 inches opening there, so it can be easy for me to breastfeed my baby. So I want to add this sequence fabric at the front. This sequin, I want to add it at the front as it is on the thumbnail. So I'm folding it in half. I want to trim off the excess so it can I'm placing the front panel on it. And I'm going to use it to cut it out as a facing, but this time around the facing is not inside, it's going to be outside on the right side of the cloth. For the sleeve, I'm going to be cutting out 2 inches here so that I can add it to the sleeve part. I'm cutting out 2 inches here, about 2 inches. So that I can add it to the, I'm cutting 2.5 because plus sewing allowance to turn the edge of the sleeve. So